What's up, guys? This is Brent with Western Equipment. Now let's jump on in and talk about all of the currently available attachments for the Z300 series. So we'll start with the first two that are probably the most commonly purchased for these mowers. Number one being the material collection system, or much simply put, the bagger kit. Now on the Z3 mowers as of 2023, this bagger kit is going to come in a ginormous box. So make sure that if you are buying this and putting it on yourself, that you've either got a big trailer to put this on or plenty of space in your pickup bed, as this big box can be broken down into some smaller ones. But what all is going to come into that kit is going to be the hopper, all of the mounting brackets that go with this kit. You're also going to have your tube assembly, the pieces that are going to help mount that tube assembly to the deck, and then also a weight kit out front to help balance you out. Now the second one is going to be the Mulch Control Kit. Now the Mulch Control Kit is going to mount to the deck. It's going to have some baffling on the inside and a baffle on the outside on the discharge side chute of the deck that's going to be easily opened and closed. That way you can switch on the fly from mulch to side discharge. Now the part numbers for these pieces, if we're looking for the bagger kit here, this is going to be BUC 11342, and the Mulch Control Kit is going to be BUC 10704. The next one is going to be the armrest kit. So the armrests here on your seat. Now this is going to be a standard feature on some of these mowers, but if your mower does not have them, this can be added. It's very, very simple. The armrests will come on a bracket right here that simply mounts to the back of the seat. And if this is something that you need for your mower, it's going to be part number BUC 11566. Now our next three attachments are all going to have to do with the foot platform here. Our first one is going to be this floor mat here that actually goes onto the foot platform. This is going to provide some anti-vibration features and then also add a slip resistant grip here whenever you're getting onto the mower. Part number for this mat is going to be UC 30762. Now right here above the floor mat is going to be our footrests. These are going to be an added feature just to help give you a few extra places to put your feet to also add to the comfort of that mower. Then they're also going to double as good handles whenever you're wanting to remove the foot platform to get underneath to do work. Now the part number for these is going to be BUC 10332. And then lastly here at the foot platform, we are going to have a side step kit. Now this is going to just lower the height of entry whenever we're getting onto this mower. So if you are that person that may have mobility issues, it's just a little bit hard to get your leg all the way up here to the foot platform, this step can help you out. And this is going to be part number BUC 11478. And the last attachment is going to be the LED light kit. Now the nice thing about this light kit, for one, yes, like I said, they are LEDs. For two, they are going to have both forward-facing lights and side lights that come off of the side to kind of point out to the edges of your deck. So if you are that person that has to do a little bit of finishing up at night, maybe you prefer to cut whenever the light just isn't quite out enough, you will have the option to add these to your mower. Now these will come standard on the R series mowers like we have here, but if they do not come on your mower, you can add these, and this is going to be part number BUC 11567. I'm thinking that as this mower is in production, there will come to be more attachments for this, so make sure and stay tuned for updates on additional attachments for the Z300 mowers. But guys, I hope this video helped you out. I hope that you liked this video, and if you did, we just ask that you'd hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. Also guys, if you're needing any of these attachments or any other parts for your John Deere mowers, make sure to check us out at 247parts.com. And as always guys, thanks for watching. We'll see you next time. Hey guys, make sure to check out this cool video and this one. Buy your parts right up here and subscribe right here.